Is AdWords worth it? Can it help you to grow an audience here on YouTube? We'll get into it. Hey, it's me, Brian G, and on behalf of myself and Nico at Morningfame, welcome! Simplify your growth here on YouTube by subscribing. Let's talk about AdWords. Can it help you to move forward and grow? It's such a common question. I see it all the time. Is AdWords worth it? Can AdWords help me grow my channel? The answer is possibly. You know, coming from a perspective is someone that teaches YouTube, someone who's taught internet marketing and audience growth for many, many years. It's really easy to say, no, it's not worth it. But the fact of the matter is it really depends on your individual channel. So let's talk about some of the things you may want to think about when deciding if you should move forward with AdWords. Number one, your channel is currently making money, hundreds of dollars on a monthly basis, and you can count on that income source. For example, I've been really digging wearing the hoodies lately, and let's say you've got merch on your channel and you're selling hoodies for 30 bucks. If that's the case, then AdWords will give you all the tools you need to be able to track every single click, determining how much it costs in advertising spend to sell a hoodie. Obviously, the idea is to generate a profit with your advertising dollars, but you know what? For most of you that are YouTubers, that are excited about YouTube, you're probably not making $100 a month. In that case, does it mean that AdWords is something you shouldn't move forward with? Absolutely not. It depends, again, where your channel's at. One of the things to consider is you want to have a strong, unified brand. That's item number two, a strong, unified channel and brand. What that means is it looks put together. You're using the same fonts, you're using the same color palette, you've got your brand messaging dialed in. This is something that YouTube talks a lot about. A value proposition. What is the value that you're proposing to viewers when they land on your channel? Now, if you don't have a consistent branded message, if your channel does not look put together, if you're not leveraging the same color palettes in your channel art, in your thumbnails, if you don't have a consistent look, you may want to invest in that area first. And it makes sense, right? After all, when a viewer lands on your channel and they can easily identify that you've taken time to create something that matters, they're gonna be more likely to click on and watch a video. And item number three, high converting videos. Think about this. In order for this to work, it's not just about getting your video in front of an audience. That audience has to like what you're producing. They gotta dig and enjoy your videos. So measure how many viewers it takes before you get a subscriber. The rule of thumb I like to use is 1 subscriber for every 100 views to a particular YouTube video. And that's a 1% conversion. 100 viewers generates 1 subscriber. And the other thing to think about is how long are non-subscribers watching your particular video? And here's why. If you're advertising, who's gonna find your video? Non-subscribers. And you want to ensure that non-subscribers like and watch your video so you'll get a boost in the algorithm, so you'll get pushed out and you'll really start to grow. So look at these metrics and use that to help you identify if it makes sense for you to start advertising. And this is why advertising agencies hire spokespeople. It's why advertising agencies hire actors who have the ability to clearly communicate while on camera, while doing a voiceover. The most successful YouTubers here on this platform are master communicators. So these are the things you can think about dialing in and focusing on, and once those are in alignment, then move forward and leverage the power of AdWords. Now lastly, when it comes to AdWords, you can get a lot more clicks for the same amount of money by improving your thumbnail click-through ratio, or CTR. Learn more about that by checking out the video in the YouTube, well, that one right there. And I'll see you next time. You dig?